Uh, well, in right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find out sine A, cos A and tan A. So at first, it is given that AB equals to 8 centimeters, BC equals to 15 centimeters, CA equals to 17 centimeters, and it is said that it is a right angle triangle. So now let us draw a diagram for this. A right angle triangle A, B, C. So AB is 8 centimeters, BC 15 and CA is 17 centimeters. Done. So now we need to find out? We need to find out sine A. Sine A. We know that sine A is equals to, so opposite side by hypotenuse. So here it is given that sine A, sine of angle A. So this is angle A. So here the side opposite to this angle, that means BC, is the opposite side. So write BC by hypotenuse. So the longest side will be the hypotenuse here. So what is the longest side here? 17. So write, what is it? AC. So you know that BC equals to 15 centimeters and AC equals to 17. Therefore, sine A equals to 15 by 17. Now, cos A. So we know that cos A is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here it is again cos of angle A. So as per this angle A, so AB is the adjacent side. So AB by, you know that AC is the hypotenuse. Now AB equals to 8 centimeter and what is it? Hypotenuse. AC equals to 17 centimeter. So the answer is 8 by 17. Now tan A. So we know that tan A is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So here it is again tan of angle A. So that means you have to consider angle A, and to which BC is the opposite side. So write BC upon adjacent side is AB. BC upon AB. What is BC here? BC is 15 and AB is what? 8. So 15 by 8 is the answer. In this way we find out cos A, sine A and tan A. That's it. Now let's move on to the second problem. The second problem is like this. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, PR equals to 25 centimeters, angle Q is equals to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. So this is a problem, and here it is given that PQR is a right angle triangle. So I am drawing a right angle triangle here. So P, and this is Q and this is R, and given that angle Q is equal 90 degrees. So 90 degrees and PQ equals to what? 7 centimeters and PR equals to 25 centimeters. So what we need to find out? Tan P minus tan R. So here tan, the formula for tan is, that opposite side by adjacent side. So here QR, if you take P into consideration, then QR would be the opposite side. So to find out tan P, we must know the value of QR. We must know the length of QR. So for that purpose, we should calculate the value, the length of QR. So by using Pythagoras theorem. So here PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So here we need to find out QR. So QR square equals to PR square minus PQ square. So PR. So the value of PR is 25 and PR square will become 625 minus the value of PQ is 7. So here it is PQ square. So since PQ is 7, it will become 7 square. 7 square in the sense 49. So therefore QR square equals to, it is 576, which implies QR is equals to 24 centimeters. So QR is equal to how much? 24. So we got the value of QR 24 centimeters. Now we need to calculate tan P. So we need to find out tan P. So tan P, we know the tan. So tan of angle P. So this is angle P. So here we know the formula. We know that tan equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Here it is given tan of angle P. So if you take angle P into consideration, then QR would be the opposite side. So QR and PQ would be the adjacent side. So QR by PQ is the formula for tan B. And what is QR here? QR equals to 24 and PQ is 7. So now let's find out tan R. So here for this you need to consider the angle at R. So here that tan equals to opposite side by adjacent side, and here this is tan of angle R. So for this angle, so PQ would be the opposite side. So PQ by, and QR is the adjacent side, PQ by QR. So PQ means what? PQ is 7 centimeters and QR equals to how much? 24 centimeters. So now tan P minus tan R is equals to, tan P means what? 24 by 7 minus tan R equals to 7 by 24. That implies, so the LCM would be 24 into 7. So 24 into 24, 576. Since there is minus, write minus. 7 into 7, 49. That implies $527 by 7 4 are 28, 7 14 plus 527 by 168 is the answer. So tan P minus tan R equals to 527 by 168. That's it. To the third problem. So the problem is like this: in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B, in which A is equal 24 centimeters, B is equal 25 centimeters, and angle BAC equals to theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. So this is the problem, and here it is given that small a equals to 24 centimeters, which means that BC side BC equals to A, and which is equals to 24 centimeters. And here it is small b equals to 25 centimeters, which means that AC equals to B, that equals 25, and we need to find out AB. So now, since it is a right angle triangle, and I'm using Pythagoras theorem, and by using Pythagoras we can write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, and we need to find out AB square first to get the values of cos theta and tan theta. So AB square equals to AC square minus BC square. So here that implies, so here AC means 25, so AC square will become 25 square, which is equals to 625, minus BC square. The value of BC is 24. BC square means 24 square. 24 square means 576. That equals to, this value will become equals to 49. So AB square equals to 49. That implies AB equals to 7 centimeters. So we got AB, which is equals to 7 centimeters. Now we need to find out cos theta. So now cos theta equals to, we know that adjacent side, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here, since it is given that cos of angle theta, so you need to take the side adjacent to theta. So where is theta? Theta is at here. So the side adjacent to theta is AB. So that implies AB by, and what is it? Hypotenuse. The longest side will be the hypotenuse. What is it? It is AC. That equals to AB equals to 7. So write 7 by AC equals to 25. So 7 by 25 is cos theta. Now tan theta. So we know that tan theta. So here side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. So here side opposite to theta is BC. So write BC, and side adjacent to theta. Side adjacent to theta is AB. So you know that BC equals to 7 centimeters and AB equals to, BC equals to 24 and AB equals to 7. So 24 by 7 is the answer. Cos theta equals to 7 by 25 and tan theta equals to 24 by 7. That's it. If cos A equals to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. So here, given that cos A equals to, we know that cos A equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That equals to 12 by 13. So that means adjacent side and hypotenuse are in the ratio of 12 is to 13. So now let, so adjacent side equals to say 12k and hypotenuse is equals to 13k. So where k constant. Okay, so now let us draw a right angle triangle. Say it is A and B and C. So by using Pythagoras theorem, so we know that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So we know so here it is given angle A. So for this, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. So it is 12K and AC is the hypotenuse. So it is 13K. So what we need to find out? We need to find out BC square. So BC square equals to AC square minus AB square. AC means here 13K. So AC square 13K whole square. AB means 12K. So AB square means 12K whole square. That implies 169K square minus 144K square. So this square, when comes to right hand side, it will become root, and that implies it will be 25K square. So 25K square equals to 5K. So opposite side is equals to 5K. So now we need to find out sine of angle A. So we know that opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side here? The opposite side is, so angle, this is angle and BC is the opposite side. So what is its value? 5K. And hypotenuse. So here AC is the hypotenuse and its value 13K. So K gets cancelled and its value 5 by 13. Now, okay. Now tan A equals to, we know that the tan of angle A equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So we know that opposite side, so here opposite side is how much? 5K. And adjacent side is 12K. So both K's gets cancelled and it will becomes equals to 5 by 12. That's the answer. Problem: if 3 tan A equals to 4, then find sin A and cos A. So now, so it is given that 3 tan A equals to 4. That implies tan A equals to 4 by 3. So here we know that tan A, so we know that tan is the ratio of, the tan is nothing but, the formula for tan is opposite side by adjacent side, right? That equals to 4 by 3. So let us draw a right angle triangle like this: A, B and C. So this is angle A. So here what is it? Opposite side? BC. So BC is the opposite side, and what is the adjacent side? AB is the adjacent side to this angle A. So BC. So let opposite side is equals to BC, say 4K, where K is constant, and let adjacent side be AB, that equals to 3K. So since it is a right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, so we know that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So here BC is 4K and AB is 3K, and we need to find out AC. So that implies AC square equals to AB square. The value of AB is 3K, so it is 3K whole square plus BC square. BC is 4K, so now it is 4K whole square. That implies AC square equals to 9K square plus 16K square. AC equals to square root of 25K square. Therefore AC equals to 5K. So we get the value of AC, that is equals to 5K. So we need to find out the value of sine of angle A, that means sine A. We know that the formula for sine A is opposite side, the side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. So here for this angle A, BC is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. So BC, the value of BC is 4K and hypotenuse is equals to 4K. So both case gets cancelled and the value will be 4 by 5. Now the second one, we need to find out cos A. We know that cos A is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we know that for angle A, AB is the adjacent side. So AB by, what is hypotenuse here? AC. So the value of AB is 3K and hypotenuse is 4K. So K gets cancelled and the value will be 3 by 5. That's all. That's the answer. 1 by 8. Then evaluate 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And the second one is 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. So let's see. So given that cot theta equals to 1 by 8. So first let's draw a right angle triangle A, and this is B and this is C. So we know that cot theta and this is angle A. Say this is angle theta. So for cot theta, the formula for cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side, so which is equals to 7 by 8, which is given in the problem. So now let adjacent side, so what is adjacent side to theta here? This is angle theta and AB is the adjacent side. So adjacent side is AB and it is equals to say 7K. Now opposite side. So here what is the opposite side here? So for this angle theta, BC is the opposite side. So BC and opposite side is say 8K. So BC is 8K and adjacent side is 7K. So now we need to find out AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB square here? AB equals to 7k, so AB square will become 49k square, plus BC equals to 8k, and it will be equals to 64k square. So total it will become 113k square. So therefore AC will become square root of 113k square, which implies AC equals to root 113 into k. So sin theta equals to adjacent side, opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is what? BC, and adjacent hypotenuse is AC. So the value of the length of BC is 8k, and the length of AC is root of 113k. So both k's gets cancelled, and the value will be 8 by 113, that means 113. Now we need to find out cos theta. You know that cos theta, formula for cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? AB, and AC is the hypotenuse. So AB equals to what? 7k, and AC equals to root 113k. So both k's gets cancelled, and the answer will be 7 by root 113. So now we'll move to the first one. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we know the formula. So we know that a plus b into a minus b will be equals to a square minus a square, right? So that means 1 square minus sin square theta. Similarly, this is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. That implies 1 square means 1. So 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? Sin theta equals to 8 by square root of 113. So when it is 8 by root 113 square. Similarly, the value of cos theta is 7 by square root 113 whole square. That implies 1 minus, so when you apply square to the numerator it will become 64, and the same to the denominator, and it will become 113. Root and square gets cancelled, and here it will become 49 by 113. So LCM 113 in the numerator. So 113 into 1, 113 minus 64 by 113 minus 49 by 130 in the denominator. So the denominator in the numerator and the denominator in the denominator gets cancelled. So the answer will be 113 minus 64 will be 49. 113 minus 49 will be 64. So 49 by 64 is the answer. So let us move on to the second one. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. That implies 1 plus sin theta means the value of sin theta is 8 by root 113 by the value of cos theta is 7 by root 113. So in the numerator, if you take LCM, root 113 is the LCM. So root 113 into 1, root 113 plus 8. So there is no change in the denominator, simply write as it was. So both denominators gets cancelled, and it will be root 113 plus 8 by 7 is the answer. So 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. We know that 1 plus the value of sine theta is 8 by root 113. That means 8 by root 113. When it comes to cos theta, the value of cos theta is 7 by root 113. So by taking LCM in the numerator, so root 113 is the LCM. So 113, root 113 into 1, root 113 plus, since there is 8, right, 8 by 7 by root 113. So here the denominator is root 113, here also the denominator is root 113. Both denominators gets cancelled and the root 113 plus 8 remains in the numerator and 7 remains in the denominator. So this is the answer. That's all.